credit card processing with the VX805. In this video, we'll talk about credit card processing at POS, canceling and voiding transactions, and transaction settlement. Conducting a sale using the VX805. Begin by processing a sale through the edge. Enter an associate ID, find the customer record, and scan or find the item. When the customer hands you his or her credit card, select Credit Card from the tender area. The credit card screen will appear. Check the amount due and select OK. That tells the edge to start interaction with the terminal device. When the terminal device prompts you to do so, swipe the credit card or insert or tap the card for EMV. For debit, the terminal device will prompt for the customer's PIN. Allow the customer to enter it. The card information will be sent to the processor and to the Edge credit card screen with the authorization code. Verify that tender is complete and select Close. Finish the sale and process the receipt. Processing a credit card manually with the VX805. Conduct the sale as you normally would. Select Credit Card from the tender area. Select the Manual Entry tab. Click OK to enable the entry fields and tell the Edge to start interacting with the terminal device. Use the terminal device to enter the account number, expiration date, security code, zip code, and to indicate whether the card has an EMV chip. The Edge will process the data, populating the fields in the credit card screen. When it is complete, finish the sale by checking the tender amount and clicking Done. Conducting an offline transaction. Offline processing lets you record non-integrated transactions. If the processor is not integrated, or if you have a card type that is not supported by the processor, use offline processing. It can also be useful in the event of a service interruption or other outage. Offline processing only happens within the Edge. Offline transactions are not sent to the processor. You must make arrangements to submit those transactions to the appropriate financial institution. Canceling transactions before completing the sale. In the Edge, a credit card transaction gets sent to the processor when it is approved, before you click Done. To cancel it, select the tender line to be deleted. Use the Delete Line button to delete it. You'll be prompted to confirm the action. Select Yes. Select another tender method and continue to complete the sale. Be sure to provide the receipt that reflects the canceled charge to the customer. If you need to cancel the whole transaction after the credit card has been processed, but before you complete the sale, void the payment as described earlier and delete all the sale lines. Or select Start Over. Complete the transaction by clicking the Done button to view and print the receipt. Voiding transactions after completing the sale. If settlement of the day's transactions has not occurred and you must correct an error, you can void the transaction after completing the sale. Locate the sale using the Receipts button or Find Sale feature. Open it. From the Supervisor menu, click Void Sale. You may be prompted to swipe, insert, or tap the credit card. Finish the void as usual. Be sure to give a receipt to the customer. Note that if settlement occurs, your only option is to return the item. Since settlement is frequently automated and it's hard to know if settlement has occurred, we recommend that you always do a return. Also, debit transactions cannot be voided. Settling credit card transactions. If your settlement is not automated, you'll need to settle manually. From the administrative menu, go to Credit Cards and select Daily Settlement. Verify that the dollar amount in the batch matches the credit card activity in the period and click Close the batch. You'll be prompted to confirm. Note that this will cause credit card transactions since the last settlement to settle. For most transaction-based questions or issues, contact your credit card processor for assistance. For specific contact information, look for a link on the credit card interface at POS in the Edge. The Edge support team will stand ready to coordinate with them. Thanks for viewing the credit card processing video tutorial. We hope you'll find this information useful. Feel free to contact us at support@abbottshapiro.com.